Hello guys. Today we are going to learn how to use Flux model in ComfyUI. Flux is a new image generation model which destroys both SD and SDXL models while fighting almost head-to-head with Midjourney. It is good at text generation as well. See how delicious these images look, which I generated using Flux in ComfyUI. So without any further delay, let's see how to use Flux in ComfyUI. First, visit this page with the model links and installation steps. I will drop the link in the description box. Now download these T5XXL FP8.safetensors and clip L.safetensors from this link. Download these two models and put them in your ComfyUI/models/clip folder. If you have more than 12 GB of VRAM, you can download the T5XXL FP16 model. After that, download the VAE model from this link. Here, this AE.safetensor model. Then keep the VAE model in your ComfyUI/models/V folder as before. Great! Then download the Flux 1 Dev FP8.safetensors model from the following link. You can download either the Dev or Schnell version. Schnell version is faster with a bit sacrifice in quality. I'll go with the Dev version as it's already a faster model. Then keep the file in the ComfyUI/models/unet folder. I will drop the link of the main Flux Dev model as well, in case you have higher VRAM and want to try that. Now run the ComfyUI. Go to ComfyUI Manager and update your ComfyUI. Then download the workflow from the given link. I uploaded the basic Flux workflow here. Click the download button on the top right corner, and the JSON file will be downloaded. Now, drag and drop the JSON file onto your ComfyUI tab in the browser, and the workflow will load automatically. Now check the model files if they are loaded correctly or not. You can keep the sampling steps at 20. If you want, you can change the sampler as you wish, but I will go with the ULAR one. Keep the image resolution 1024 by 1024 for optimum result. Now let's cue the prompt. As you can see, this is the new Thor hammer and the image quality is really good. This is it for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.